Hi everyone, it's Addie. Welcome back to my channel. Um, Today's video, we will be finishing these two pools. Our freshwater pool and our Roserade hot water pool. We will be finishing these two pools today. We finished in our last video, we finished this pool. I love this pool so much. It reminds me of my childhood. Um, I'm a sucker for a pool with a waterfall. Okay, I love me a good waterfall in a pool. I just find them aesthetically pleasing. I find them so fun. I love them. And so, therefore, we will be building another one of those waterfalls in this one. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's finish this one. So, I'm still going to use this reflective, mysterious stone. I had to go back to the Skylands and get some more because I ran out. But, oh well. So, these pools are, as you can see, they are not the same size, and I'm okay with that. Personally, I am okay with that. However, if you are one of those people where you're like, it all has to be the same size, it all has to be even Steven. My favorite size of the pool is this one. I think this one was like 16 by 16. I don't remember exactly what it is. I say what it is in the previous video. We do like, I do like count it out for you in the previous video where we worked on that pool. But this one is definitely smaller. It's like 8 by 13. Like this is like 8 and then this is like 13 if you start counting this block right here as your 1, and then you go all the way to like right here as your 13. And then we carved out pieces in the middle for the water to actually go in, and these will be like, in this area will be like the climbing in spots and like the little sitting and hanging out areas. But yeah, and they're all gonna kind of have like their own little like theme going on. But yes, the idea is to be a pool. This would be a pool, and in another build we will attach either in the back. I think in the back we will attach a showering area because you're supposed to shower off before you get into a public pool. But yeah, and don't worry, we will be putting a border around this edge. I don't know what border yet, but we will put a border because the border does make it look a lot better. So yeah, so for now we'll just fill this in with our mysterious stone that luckily I won't run out of now. Thank goodness. I can't believe I kept running out of it. I was so sure I had enough, but oh well. Okay, now that we filled that in with our mysterious stone, I do want to do a different tile for this. I don't want to just keep it the gray. I think we could do stone flooring though as like the base. Yeah, let's do that. Mainly because I don't want to craft another type of stone. Okay. Everyone say hi to Van Gogh. I want to, for each video now, from now moving forward, I want to have like, I want to showcase a Pokemon. I guess for now it'll be Van Gogh because he's my painter and I might need some stuff painted, and it's just easier to have him on me. So I guess for this Pokemon showcase for today, it'll be Van Gogh, my Smeargarou. I I name my Pokemon. I love naming my Pokemon. I love naming them. So, so I decided to paint the stone tiles, and I painted them like the gray color. Okay. Okay, I had a little mishap there. I know it doesn't look like it, but the stone tiling is supposed to be like the grayish blue color. I don't know what happened, but that's what color it's supposed to be. Okay, well, I guess now our new Pokemon buddy tagging along with us is Meryl. Because I kind of want to see how they'll like react to the pool. I kind of like getting a Pokemon to come like with me when I do builds. So like to increase their like friendship and, you know, our synergy together, but also kind of like see them interact with the build itself. So I guess that's kind of what I'm doing with Meryl, because she is a water Pokemon. Yes, my Meryl is a girl, and I don't really have a name for her. Sometimes I nickname them, and then sometimes I don't. I guess Meryl will just be Meryl, because sometimes the, like, name, they're already so cute. Like, the name is already so cute. You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't see the point in nicknaming them. Like, I like to name my Psyducks in my Pokemon game Simon. But it's spelled like P-S-Y-M-O-N, because I think I'm very funny. But yeah. Not related to Call of Duty Ghost Simon. Unrelated. Anyways. But for now, we're just filling out, we're just, putting in the stone flooring. It's supposed to be that blue grayish color, but now it just looks white, but that's fine. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. It's fine. So, okay. And now we'll do the border. It's gonna be, oh, okay. That works. And last time, in the last video, we learned that, the corner pieces, those like huge corner pieces, are not gonna work. So, we don't need those huge corner pieces, we just need like this little square in it. Ah, I just had it. Okay. I'm not gonna color the border, mainly because I don't want to waste paint on coloring the border, and partially because I'm lazy and don't want to. Hey, there we go. Gotta get the angle just perfect for these, for this piece. Okay, there we go. And then it lines up easy. Okay, there we go. We're getting it. We're getting it. Okay. And don't worry, we will add toys in this pool as well. I personally don't really care about toys in the pool. Like, I'll play like water volleyball, but I don't really care about like the little torpedo the little torpedo toys or water ball or like little balls to play with in the water. I don't really care. And like I was just like I've always been able to like either entertain myself in the water or um I usually go swimming with my like or my dad was entertaining me. I was usually able to entertain myself or me and my dad were playing together when we were swimming. I was never interested in toys in the pool. And then I think we need 2 more concrete pieces because I want it to like look uniformed and uniformity and conformity. Okay, now that we're back, after fiddling with some stuff, I realized 2 things that are really heartbreaking and kind of annoying. I'm kidding, it's not that deep. First of all, we're definitely going to have to hide the hot spring spout in the waterfall. And second of all, I just realized you cannot color the hot spring spout. What? What kind of like what? Why can't we change the color of the hot spring spout? What kind of craziness, lameness is that? That's lame. That's lame, and I'm annoyed by it. Like, surely, like, customization really does, like, change the game. Like, even if it's just the littlest things, it really does, like, change, like, the whole, like, changes, like, the whole build. But you can put them underwater, and then it looks like you have, like, a little table underwater, but then that's silly, I think. And it's gonna be really annoying. I still haven't seen anyone, like, use that big pool that I made a while back, and then I still haven't seen anyone even use this pool, and I wonder if it's because I don't have the hot spring spout and it's not registering as a pool. I feel like they should just get in it either way, but well, I guess I didn't have to move that ladder. Should just get in the pool. But either way, I guess, like, if anything, if you wanted to, you could, like, for your, like, for, like, pool builds in general or whatever, is just, like, hide the spout. Just fine. You could do that. And then we're gonna have to now I'm worried about, like, if I do the spout thing for the waterfall, is the waterfall gonna be, like, thick? I want the waterfall to be thick, not, like, a tiny little stream. You know what I mean? Like, I want it to be a good waterfall. Okay. I'm looking for items in my thing that are not here. Here is this, because I feel like we need this. Maybe. Is that too big? Oh well. Later on, we'll adjust it because I'll do all this, like, pathing stuff outside, like, off camera, maybe. And then, or maybe I'll do it as, like, a video and it's just a chit-chat video. Yeah, I think when we do the bathrooms, we're gonna use the smaller sign with the little small information board. I feel like we should put this in the back. No, I think it's okay right here. Maybe, okay, maybe not right there. Maybe right here? Pushed all the way to the side. Okay, Yeah, I like that. And we all need stairs because they struggle just to get up and down. I think I'm gonna do 4 stairs across. So now we do this. No, don't tell me. Don't tell me there's not enough room. Okay. Okay, let's do some toys in the pool. Let's do this little tire. Ooh, thank goodness I did all those layers. Because that would have just ended up being straight water. Okay. Refill this. Now, put the stairs back. There we go. Now let's add the lights. The lights will connect. Nope. Okay. That's fine. Scoot these down. Hold on. Are we doing... Okay. Hold on. When I put them next to each other, it looks weird. But when I do that, it looks even weirder. I don't know. We'll just leave it like that, I guess. Okay. And then... I guess to make it even, we'll do it like this. Okay. Okay, so. But this is why I like to do like multiple layers of like concrete or rock and stuff. So that whenever, especially if it's like above, if I'm building over water, because I know I'll need to like most likely end up burying electricity or these like little power banks, and then I can't just place the generator in water. It won't. I don't want to just place it in water. Is that because like then it won't, like it'll just like it won't let me place it there. Now I can't find my stairs. Okay, here we go, here we go. Wait, did I only have one stair? Yes, I had one stair for each thing. Okay, great. Now we don't need to put any more electricity banks because now it reaches over here. Yes, okay. And then... Oh, yeah. I forgot. We had more stone stairs over here. Let's do this. Oops. Okay. There we go. That looks like a smooth transition if you ask me. Since we don't have a lot of space to add stuff in that middle pool, there does need to be an area to put like trash. I guess if you want to be able to add more stuff around the edges, you would need to make this bigger. but that's okay. Oh, that's funny. I love that. Okay. Now we're moving on to this one. We will fill that one in a minute. I kind of have to clear out my pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. C. Okay. There we go. I'm not too worried about electricity in this one. Okay. Now, I guess now we can fill this one up. Okay. Our freshwater pool. In 3, 2, 1. Hopefully I don't mess up filling it up. Because I always do that. And then I end up wasting. Woohoo! Oh, so fun! Okay. I like that. I think it's silly putting the kind of funny to have. Why do I do that? I think that's kind of funny. I love this. This is so funny. Okay. Now, moving on to the next one. Let's build the waterfall part now. Quick question. How did I do that? Shoot. I don't remember how I did the waterfall. Okay. I think I just winged it. Okay. I do kind of like the idea of the waterfall being the mermaid fish scale tile, but in a different color. So I think what we're going to do is kind of like build the waterfall into this wall. Does that make sense? Like, okay, now we're back. So, I changed the fish scale tiling to just cyan blue because I think I like that better. Ooh, yeah, okay. I kind of want this waterfall to be big. So, how did I do it last time? Okay. We might need to move this. And then... Okay. The only burger steak worth eating is the potato one. Okay. I think we did it like this. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is not how I did the last one, but like, whatever works, right? How do you... Okay. Okay. I will probably end up running out of the fish scale tiling. That's fine. Okay. And then it needs like a top, right? Okay. Ah! Okay, maybe like this. Okay, I sort of like this. And then... I sort of like this, but I sort of don't. I don't like how uneven that is. Okay. Kind of like this one. But what if we lowered it? What if we also... Okay. Ooh. Yes. But not with lava, though. Okay. And then we did that to, like, get into the fucking thing. We just put them in, like, right here. Okay, so let's see. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's take this top off. And this top off. And then let's add some stairs so we can do what I'm trying to do. No! It's raining. Okay. Like this. Okay. Actually, I think it's perfect the way it is. So fill that in. Fill that in. Fill this in. Fill this in. Do we want to keep the stairs or remove the stairs? I think we should do stairs. I don't know why. I just like the look. I just like the look of the stairs. I like the look of the stairs. I don't know why. There's just something about it. It's stupid that we can't paint them, but I do still like this look. Yeah, I really like this. Okay. And now... Uh-oh. Oh, no! Okay. Okay, now, do we add them here? Ooh, I like that. Oh. I like that too. But now we need to add electricity. Okay, hold on. Can we just add... Are we able to just do that? No. Oh, I guess we are. Okay. Ooh. All right. All right, all right, all right. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, I'm so proud of myself. Look at us. We're building. That is so cool. There we go. Okay, so thank you once again for watching. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's build. But yeah. Alrighty. Bye-bye. And have a great day. It was an honor to be on your screen. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.